Hi, good day, M6282. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Rosie Fernandez de Yondon, 32 years of age. I am single mother. I have 2 kids. I have work experience in Kuwait for 1 year and 6 months. I serve 5 family members, including their kids. Then I also do household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing, and ironing. I have also work experience in Saudi Arabia for 1 year and 5 months. I served 4 family members and their kids. I I do household chores like washing, cleaning, cooking, and ironing. Then I have also work experience in Philippines for 2 years contract. Then they have 5 members and family including their kids. Then I do also household chores like washing, cleaning, cooking,
Ironing, right? Okay.
yes,
You are also have experience in Saudi for almost 1 year and 5 months and 1 year and 6 months on Kuwait. Then
yes,
you also take good care of the children, also a baby, right? Which is
yes,
9 months
sir.
and 6 months old. So you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check her temperature, then maybe she's hungry. Then I will check his diaper. Then I will call my employer that maybe your kids is they have sick.
So if the baby doesn't stop to cry, you will call the
Yes,
employer. Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because I want to give a better future of my kids.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
More than 2 years if my employer tell me to extend or what else?
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employers needed you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, no, sir. But I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
Watching YouTube, then I tell my employer to buy books.
You will tell the employer that to buy a books like recipe books.
Yes,
You could also buy for yourself a recipe books, and also if you have an employer, if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
yes, yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share a job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids? Sharing room with kids.
Yes,
It is
sir.
okay with you.
Yes.
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
It's okay.
It is okay with you.
Yeah.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom. It is
Yes,
okay
sir.
with you. Okay. It is okay to you to do not use cell phone without your employer's consent.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn their language if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
If you want to choose me as your helper, I am hardworking and I am willing to learn. I I hope that you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, can you also promise to be honest to your employer and take good care of your children as your own?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Rossi. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay.